Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the elephant, Ellie from Roblox Piggy. So once again, here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in the overall head shape first, which is going to be a circle, but we'll leave a little bit of a gap on the bottom. So we just draw one big circle. So that's the top, and then I'm going to come down. And I'll just leave a little bit of a space here. And then now for the trunk, we're going to start right in the middle right here. Find the middle of this circle. Just draw like a little half circle. And then now we'll come straight down. So almost to the bottom here, but not quite. And then for the very tip here, we're going to draw a bigger circle. Just connecting those points, those lines coming down. Just Just make this one a little bit bigger. And then on the inside here, just 2 little egg shapes on the side. And I'll shade that in real quick. And now that we have the trunk, now we can finish up the circle. So I'm just going to continue inwards. Just close everything off. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky right here, but hopefully it's not too bad. Alright, so now for our eyes, we're going to come out at an angle right here. And just draw one circle in between. In the space here, just draw one circle again. I'm going to draw another circle inside, and then I'm going to shade around it. Okay, and then for the cheeks, really easy. Just come to the center here, go out to the side. Just draw a little egg shape. Okay, and then now for the big ears, we're going to start right on the top of the eye right here. Just go up, make a little point. Okay, and then for the bottom here, just come right around here. So it's going to be pretty low. Make another point. So now we know we're going to come all the way around and connect to this. So on the top part here, just draw kind of like a half circle going out. So it's going to be pretty big. And then once you have that, keep coming down and then round out the bottom and just go, and then round out the bottom and then just connect to that. Okay, so let's try on this side. So one big half circle. So whatever size you drew here, just try to draw the same thing on this side. And which is always gonna be a difficult thing to draw. To draw things symmetrical is very hard. Okay, so come down and then we'll just round it out again. Okay, so that's the hardest part, and then now for the inside, we'll just follow this curve. Just drawing a border all the way around, so this one's easy. Okay, so that's the head. And let's come down and draw her dress. So this one's pretty simple. Just come out to the side right here first. This is gonna be an armpit right here. And then now for the dress, we'll flare this out. Come to the middle of this. Just draw one little curve first. And then I'll connect up this space, but just add some curvature to it. So a nice flowing dress. And then we'll add some lines to make it look like creases, and then on the top as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the legs first, and then we'll join the arms. So come back to the center right here. I'll just draw 2 straight lines going straight down. So that's gonna be the inside of the leg. Now come out here, come down, and then on the bottom here, just one little bump, and then close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Come down. Just use the other side for reference. One little bump, close it off. Okay, so now let's draw in the arms, and let's draw in this side first, because this one's a little bit easier. So here's the armpit. Shoulders coming down. I'm going to extend this slightly. And then for the rest of the arm, just one really long bracket. And then for the hand, for the thumb right here, just one little hook. And then one little slant coming down. Here's the back of the hand. And then for the fingers, come down, just curve it, and then go back up. Just make it nice and smooth. And then if you want to add in the other fingers on the back, I'm just gonna add one little bump. Alright, so now for the other hand, it's gonna be a little bit different. So it's gonna be holding the weapon. So here's your armpit again. Shoulders coming down. And then for this one, I'm gonna start on the top. Just one curve going out. And then whatever curve you have here, just come down. Go out. And then now let's draw in her hand. So for her hand right here, I'm gonna draw in her thumb. Just one little hook. For the other fingers, just start right here on the thumb. Just kind of come down and then go back up into this. Okay, and then to finish up the palm right here, just gonna draw one little curve. Alright, and then now for the weapon here, so I'm gonna draw that slant. Let's start right here, right above the thumb right here. Just gonna draw two lines going up, and then I'll close that off first. Okay, so we'll keep going up and then we'll come back down and finish up the staff. Okay, so right here, draw another rectangle, slightly bigger, and then extend this line. I'm gonna draw one more rectangle, even bigger. And then now for this part right here, just draw two curves. Close it off. So we're drawing everything at a slant right here. Right here, another rectangle. And now on the inside right here, just draw one really long one. And then now for the blade, from this point here, just go straight up, make a little point. Now I'm gonna come down, just a little angle. I'm gonna stop right here, come in slightly, and then the other one, just come down again, about halfway of this, and then come in again. So it's almost like a Christmas tree. And then last one, just come down, we'll stop right here, and then we'll just close this off. Alright, and then lastly, one little more spike right here on the side, so this one's easy. Just draw one really sharp angle coming out, and that's gonna give us the weapon. And I know this part's a little bit complicated, there's a lot of little details. Okay, so now to finish this up, so this one's easy. We just kind of continue this line here, just keep going down until we hit the bottom right here, and then we'll just close it off. And that is it for this very cool looking Ellie. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.